Robert Kennedy's body is taken by train on an 8-hour journey from New York to Arlington National Cemetery, the final resting place of his brother Jack.
My father organized the funeral train, and that was an incredible experience. 227 miles of people on both sides of the tracks with signs, and it was just a very moving experience.
I was on that train and just watching these, this extraordinary sight. You had people carrying these signs that said, "Goodbye, Bobby." You had nuns and priests and rabbis, and you had hippies and soldiers.
There's nobody that I can think of that could have drawn those numbers and that kind of diverse population to say goodbye.
Ted is able to keep it together at the funeral, but the funeral train with all of the thousands of people who met that train along its way, it was more than Ted could bear.
And it marked a major change in Ted's life. He had always been the younger brother, one way or another.
All three of the other brothers die through acts of violence, and the baby brother winds up being the family patron.
And everybody's looking at Ted right now to take over.